of the climate change on the environment, either it is a human health, as discussed at length in the previous classes regarding the impact of the climate change. When I was discussing the impact assessment or impact of climate change in Central Asia, what we discussed, what was the important points, or what were the important points rather? Can anyone tell? When I discussed and I shared the information and PDF with you people and uploaded also the impact assessment of the climate change in Central Asia. What were the, you can say, the salient point, important points? Anyone?
Flooding, melting of
Very good.
glaciers.
Very good. Very good. Anything else? Flooding and melting of glacier. Okay. Whether the floods were not occurring without impact of the climate change in the past, in the historical past, whether the floods were not occurring with when the climate change impact was not observed?
They were occurring, sir.
Pardon?
They were occurring.
Never occurring.
They were occurring.
Okay, were occurring. Very good. So why we are worried, or we are thinking, what is the difference in the nature of the flood when they were occurring in the historical past time, as well as currently when we are going to discuss or have discussed already due to the climate change? What is the difference?
Frequency have increased.
Very good. Number one. Number two. Number two.
Maybe they are now more harmful.
Yeah, magnitude is very high. Magnitude is higher, and extremity. As many times I have repeated this word, extremity, either of the drought or the flood situation, extremity is there. So okay, it is related to flood. Other things impact I discussed when I was discussing the impact of the climate change in Central Asia. Any idea? When we are going to discuss, I shared the information that energy and the industrialization, these two things were in the core when I discussed the impact of the climate change in Central Asia. How we should shift the energy source or source of energy to curb the impact of the climate change. Number one. Number two, how the industrialization or industrial growth is going to affect the climate change, population growth, deforestation. All these issues were discussed in detail, but the impact assessment of the climate change have a certain yardsticks, and we have to discuss or explain in that framework. That, suppose that I cite example, impact assessment of the climate change on the water, impact assessment of the climate change in the forest, impact assessment of the climate change in the atmosphere, impact of assessment of the climate change in the terrestrial region. So in such a way we have to discuss. So today let me share the screen, and I will be discussing on the water resources impact of the climate change. What are the salient points related to the water resource? I am just going to share the screen. Screen is available with you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir, visible.
Very good.
Visible.
So the title
sir.
of this paper, research paper, is Water Security in India Threat Mapping, Impact of the Climate Change. Means, pardon? क्या हुआ? What happened? So the water security in India threat mapping, impact of the climate change. It means अगर आप इसको रिवर्स देखें, impact of the climate change on the water security in India. That's all. So let me discuss the important issues in this. Why there is a threat, and the region-wise threat projections. Let me discuss and come to this. The region-wise, geographical region-wise in our country, what are the threats projections due to the climate change effect or impact on the water resource? If you look towards this, the Deccan Plateau region of Maharashtra and Telangana, while eastern coastal plains of northern Tamil Nadu is a critical critical water scarce zones. Why? With departure from the norm, what do you mean by the departure from the normal rain? This word. What do you mean by it? Anyone? With departure from the normal rain. What do you mean by departure here? Anyone? Literal meaning of departure. Bharat Kumar.
Departure is like exit something.
Eh?
Departure is like exit.
Exit from this certain points, original points. Away from the original points. That is departure. Means something was there and it has departed, means it has left that original position. That is the literal meaning.
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if the literal meaning you are understanding, that means the rainfall, which is the normal rainfall of any region, if it is deviated, deviation occurs, it is not restricted to the normal rainfall, either it is very less or more, then that is called departure phenomena of the rain. And it may be positive departure and it may be negative departure. What is the negative departure? When the rainfall, annual rainfall in any region, if it is less than the normal rainfall, that is called a negative departure. If it is more than that, that is called a positive departure. Therefore, on the basis of that, meteorological drought analysis is carried out. And there is a certain formula to carry out the drought analysis, meteorological, particularly drought analysis. So I was just discussing the impact of the climate change on the water resource, and under that, region wise, if you see the Deccan Plateau of Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Deccan Plateau का कवरेज ये तीनों में, आंध्र प्रदेश में, महाराष्ट्र एंड तेलंगाना. So Deccan Plateau, entire Deccan Plateau is very vulnerable from the water resource point of view, availability of the water resource point of view. And due to the climate change, the severity of this crisis of the water resource availability will be more. And second, what is the reason? With the departure from the rainfall, 34 districts of Maharashtra, especially Marathwada and Vidarbha region is facing drought, which has also seen high rates of farmer suicides. So due to the climate change, it will be more accelerated. The Western Plain and Kutch Peninsula, which has an arid climate, has prolonged and continuous water scarcity problem. States of Haryana and Punjab, considered the rice bowl of India, is heavily dependent on the groundwater for its irrigation or consumption. As you know that Punjab and Haryana both are agriculture dominant states of the country and producing a lot, either the paddy or wheat, and for that withdrawal of the groundwater is enormous or significant, and therefore if the climate change, impact of the climate change is that if the precipitation is not in that fashion, older fashion, fashion means pattern, pattern में नहीं होता है, यदि वो धीरे धीरे नहीं होती बरसात, if the runoff is more and heavy volume is more, but the within a very limited time the downpour occur of the rainfall, then certainly the runoff will be more. And if the runoff is higher, then certainly the percolation rate will be less and recharge will be minimum. So for under that situation, again the depletion of the groundwater level will be there, and in turn it will be again a problem. So as a result, more than 100 billion Indians live in areas where water is severely polluted. In the same zone, states like Rajasthan and Gujarat has combated the issue of water scarcity with rainwater harvesting methods. Means the Rajasthan and Gujarat has up to some extent. This sentence is not completed. Means it is not true 100%, but it is up to some extent. They have mitigated their problems related to the water resource availability, water scarcity rather, in that region. Another zone of water scarcity in the northern plain of the state of Bihar. बिहार नहीं, अब इसको कह सकते हैं आप झारखंड. बिहार की अलग समस्या है. डू यू नो द प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू बिहार? नॉर्थ बिहार, वाटर स्कैर्सिटी प्रॉब्लम इज वेरी डोमिनेंट इन झारखंड, स्टेट ऑफ झारखंड, बट इन बिहार, नॉर्थ बिहार में क्या हो रहा है अभी? एनीवन फ्रॉम बिहार?
फ्लड हो रहा है बिहार में.
है?
फ्लड हो रहा है सर, फ्लड.
वेरी गुड. I would be Saraswat. You belong to that area? You belong to state of Bihar?
No sir, but currently my father is posted over here, so I live in Bihar right now.
Very good. Where is posted?
Sir, in Begusarai district.
Okay, okay. So if you are facing realizing the situation, North Bihar is suffering from the acute flood conditions, and in North Bihar every year Kosi flood, Kosi is a river, which is the Kosi flood is very, very vulnerable, and every year North Bihar is facing this frequent problem. So the flood, pardon?
कमला का भी फ्लड आता है सर.
कहाँ पे?
समस्तीपुर.
विजय कुमार. हाँ, कहाँ का?
समस्तीपुर बिहार में.
नहीं, समस्तीपुर तो जान रहा हूँ. समस्तीपुर इज फेमस फॉर व्हाट?
कैसे?
समस्तीपुर इज फेमस फॉर व्हाट?
एजुकेशन के लिए.
बस एजुकेशन के लिए फेमस है, और कुछ? any major event?
जूट मिल.
हाँ,
जूट मिल, चीनी मिल है यहाँ पे बहुत सारा.
हाँ, और क्या है?
और सर इधर हर साल बाढ़.
You belong to समस्तीपुर?
Yes sir.
Very good. Samastipur is also famous for that major event when the Rath was stopped by the opposition, when the Lal Krishna Advani was moving in India by Rath. It was first time stopped in Samastipur. So let me continue with the subject. Since you told the Samastipur, therefore I recalled it. With warming of the Deccan Plateau, Central Highlands is the next zone who could bear the impact of water scarcity. Central Highland means सेंट्रल इंडिया में जो डिकेन प्लेटू है या सेंट्रल इंडिया का जो पार्ट है, सेंट्रल इंडिया में जो प्लेन है उतना सफर नहीं करेगा, बट सेंट्रल हाईलैंड इज द जोन एडजेसेंट टू डिकेन प्लेटू व्हिच विल suffer from the water scarcity. So this is one reason. Then the eastern coastal plain, similar to northern plain, is also disaster prone. Eastern coastal plains means the Odisha. If you start from the Odisha and then Tamil Nadu, and these areas are having the frequent cyclones, sea level rise, as I discussed the quantitative estimation or figures in the previous class, how much sea level will rise as per the IPCC report. I had already discussed and told you the data pertaining to it. Tidal erosion, and simultaneous overuse of groundwater has led to salinity intrusion, which has extended up to 30 to 40 kilometers inland. Then how we can discuss, how can we explain the impact of the climate change in this? Because frequent cyclones is also a phenomena, is going to be tornadoes and hurricanes and cyclones, which I discussed in the previous class. That is also the impact of the climate change. Sea level rise, you are very much aware about it. Therefore, it will in turn the tidal erosion. And if the erosion will be there of the coastal area, again, there will be a huge threats for the settlement of the people, land availability for the settlement to the people, and water availability. So land and water availability in the coastal area, both the things are going to be affected due to the climate change impact. Then the issue groundwater, if you see, the 80% of the drinking water supply is based on the groundwater in our country, while 65 to 66% of the irrigation nowadays, as a current situation, is being made by the groundwater. So if you look towards the rainfall pattern, as I discussed in the previous class, that it will be runoff will be more, infiltration will be less, percolation will be less, then recharge will be less. And due to this, the recharge, if it is poor and you are withdrawing the water continuously at a higher rate, then certainly the water table will be depleted and the more energy is required to withdraw the groundwater. And soil moisture loss will be there, vegetative index, vegetative cover will be less, a loss of vegetation, the availability of the oxygen into the atmosphere will be less. So this will be the impact of the climate change on the groundwater. So the rainfall, you see, the rainfall, there has been a uniform shift in the rainfall pattern with late monsoon onset. Do you agree with this fact or not? This fact. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
हैं?
Visible, sir.
काहे बहुत स्लो बोल रहे, सो रहे हो क्या तुम लोग?
नहीं सर.
मैं उठाऊं एक एक कर को पूछूं तब फिर उठोगे तुम लोग?
हाँ सर.
क्या बोलो विजय? विजय कुमार.
Yes sir.
Are you speaking something, telling something?
क्या सर?
क्या?
विजिबल है सर.
विजिबल है? नहीं, विजिबल तो है. डू यू एग्री विद दिस मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? अमीशा सिन्हा?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea about it? What this sentence conveys?
So it tries to convey that the rainfall pattern has been kind of irregular and erratic. So usually the places which received rainfall early are receiving it very late.
Very good. Then the next is the erratic rain and extreme downpour. What do you mean by it? Extreme downpour.
तो मतलब एक बार में बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो जाती.
Very good.
एक दो दिन के अंदर.
हाँ, time limit, time is less. In a very less time period is less, and the volume of the downpour is more. That is called extreme downpour. Okay, very good. So the Deccan Plateau has explained the departure of the normal monsoon rainfall trend. Again, the departure, and I have explained the concept of the departure. As per the IMD, means India Meteorological Department, and few regions in the regions have received deficient rainfall with negative departure -42%. I told you, when it will be a positive, Amisha, then what will happen? If it is positive 42%, only 42, not negative 42, what is the meaning of it?
So that means that a lot of rainfall has happened in that place. Very good.
Means if it is positive, means the departure is there. Departure is there, but it is positive departure, means it is the rainfall is far better than the normal rainfall, or more rainfall than normal rainfall, then it is positive. If it is negative, then it is a sign of a drought, and it is a sign of a severe, mild to severe drought condition, because minus 42% is a significant, you can say, the quantity. The number of rainy days has increased, but so has the intensity of जो हायर इंटेंसिटी की रेन हो रही है, जो मीडियम या लो रेनफॉल इंटेंसिटी जिसकी है, वो डेज कम हुआ है ड्यू टू क्लाइमेट चेंज, इसीलिए रन ऑफ इज इंक्रीजिंग एंड परकोलेशन इज डिक्रीजिंग. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
बोलो भाई.
Yes, sir.
भारत कुमार से ही बुलवाएंगे केवल क्या हम?
Yes, sir.
This rainfall anomaly Aditi Verma. Aditi Verma,
Yes, sir.
are you getting me? मेरी वॉइस आपको पहुंच रही है?
Yes, sir, but your screen is not visible to me.
Why? Everybody, I think screen is visible to everybody. Bharat?
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir.
Very good.
Visible.
So, Aditi?
Yes, sir, I will just rejoin.
इसका मतलब इतने दिन से आपका स्क्रीन नहीं कर रहा है, तो आप इसको ट्राई नहीं किया?
ओके. हो रहा था, अभी बीच में फ्रीज हो गया था, फिर दोबारा टाइप किया तो ब्लैंक हो
ओके 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 ओके. अनन्या पाटिल.
Yes, sir.
Screen
Sir,
is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
You tell.
Sir,
What do you mean by rainfall anomaly? लिखा है ना ये येलो कलर से.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by it? This rainfall anomaly?
The rainfall anomaly means deviation from the normal conditions.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Means the
Correct.
rainfall patterns are changed.
Yeah. The rainfall anomaly. Anomaly तभी होती है. Anomaly कहते हैं ना कि this is a anomalous behavior. Anomaly means जो एक एवरेज वैल्यू में, अगर एवरेज वैल्यू कोई स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ वैल्यू है, स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू से इफ देयर इज ए डेविएशन, फ्रीक्वेंट डेविएशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड anomaly. It may be upper side, it may be lower side. So the deviation from the standard value, that is called anomaly, and that has already been discussed with the concept of the departure. Because surface and underground water resources are rain fed, this erratic pattern has affected the freshwater availability. Means this is the conclusion of this. Erratic pattern has affected the freshwater availability. In our country, the water resource is not a problem, but freshwater availability is a problem. And we require the freshwater for the domestic needs. Therefore, during the summer period, in many parts of the country, sorry, we are suffering a lot. Temperature. Like erratic rain, even there is an increase in temperature, is a uniform phenomena in the country. Means none of the place, nowhere it has not been mentioned that exception kahin nahi hai. Means everywhere there is a rise in the temperature. Either it may be Himalayan region, it may be Deccan peninsular India, it may be Indo-Gangetic plain. Whatever the reason is there, everywhere there is a increment in the temperature. And even in the Western Himalayan states, Western Himalayan states kaun se hain? Anybody? Tell the name of Western Himalayan states.
Uttarakhand, Uttar
हिमाचल
Pradesh.
प्रदेश, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर,
Very good.
उत्तराखंड.
Very good. Very good. हिमाचल प्रदेश, JNK, and अब तो लद्दाख भी हो गया ना बेटा?
यस सर, पर वो यूनियन टेरिटरी.
हाँ, तो उसको अलग से बोलोगे नहीं, यूनियन टेरिटरी है तो. हम तो मान लो स्टेट्स पूछे हैं, ये कह सकते हो कि सर आपने तो स्टेट्स पूछा है, बट अगर आपको complete answer देना है तो Ladakh should be also included in that Western Himalayan region. Okay, you are correct that my question was states, so you are very much correct that that is a union territory. But if in a holistic manner, complete sense, if you have to answer, you mention there Ladakh also. The rise above normal 1 degree Celsius. So I just told you that none of the area region has been left out from the increment in the temperature. Okay. Temperature may not have a direct bearing on the water security, but its impact on the rain pattern has left a bearing on the water resource. Okay. So this is one. Glacial retreat. अब देखिए इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द क्लाइमेट चेंज को मैंने जो डिस्कस किया है एग्जाम्पल के साथ, आप भी उसी तरह से करिए. ग्लेशियल रिट्रीट, 21% deglaciation. What do you mean by the deglaciation? Anybody?
The melting of glacier sheets. The melting of glacier sheets.
Very good, Saraswat. Good. Means the 21% of the deglaciations has been recorded in Jammu and Kashmir. सोचिए, northern plains भी frequent victim of the floods due to the river water overflowing. Gangotri glacier, source of Ganga, have retreated by over 3 kilometers since 1817. अगर आप देखें तो 200 साल पहले से 200 साल से लेकर के 3 किलोमीटर का रिट्रीट हुआ है due to the melting of the ice sheets in the Gangotri glacier, which is the source of river Ganga. ये कहता है कि it may be negligible over the 200 years. Just I mentioned to you the period, here it is written also, but the rate of retreat has increased sharply since 1971. अब देखिए आपका अभी 50 साल पहले के बीच में इस लास्ट 50 इयर्स में जो मेल्टिंग का रेट है वो दैट हैज बीन इंक्रीज्ड. उतना रेट रिट्रीट का नहीं था उसके पहले. So due to temperature rise, small lakes have formed on the top of the glacier, which in turn has led to the flooding of lower riparian plains. Can you cite any example that very vulnerable and natural disasters by the formation of the artificial lake in the Uttarakhand?
केदारनाथ.
नंदा देवी में हुआ था ना.
हाँ,
नंदा देवी में अभी हुआ था ना.
हाँ, नंदा देवी में क्या हुआ था
सर? ग्लेशियर हुआ था ना, उसकी वजह से बने थे ना फ्लड्स. हाँ,
वेरी गुड. और सारस्वत बता रहा था बहुत बढ़िया एग्जांपल.
सर
केदारनाथ लैंडस्लाइड्स. ओके, केदारनाथ disasters. Yes, there was a formation of artificial lake, and due to that a inundation of the water was used, and when it was broken, then ultimately we faced such problems. So national governance and civil society initiative, this is related, this aspect is related to the mitigation measures. It is not related to the impact. अभी ग्लेशियल रिट्रीट का, टेम्परेचर का और जो आपके रेनफॉल का, ये जो ग्राउंड वाटर, सरफेस वाटर की जो बात हुई है, दीज आर द इम्पैक्ट्स. बट हियर दिस पॉइंट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द इम्पैक्ट. नेशनल गवर्नेंस एंड सिविल सोसाइटी इनिशिएटिव ये इम्पैक्ट नहीं है. इम्पैक्ट, it has been observed that most of the state sponsored schemes meant for water conservation have not incurred lasting positive results. Like Pani Bachao Abhiyan, Atal Talab Yojana, 200 ponds restoration scheme in the Deccan region lacked the intended reach and is mired in corruption. So ये सब चीजें चलती रहती हैं, लेकिन हमको we have to be, दो चीजें हैं देखो, एक तो साइंस का सही उपयोग होना, दूसरा टेक्नोलॉजी का. इसीलिए साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी साथ साथ कहा जाता है. साइमल्टेनियसली इफ यू स्पीक, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी भी है. साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी concept is provided by the science and implementation has to be rooted through the implementation of the technology. So technological interventions should be in such a way that it always take care of the climate change impact. So that is there. Okay. हेलो, हाँ जी. Hello. So this is the, you can say, table. It is very important table and assessing impact of the climate change and water security. The reason why zone wise it has been divided: Western Himalaya, Western Plains and Kutch, Deccan Plateau, Northern Plains, Central Highland, Eastern Ghat, Western Coastal Plains, Bengal and Assam Plains, Northeastern Hills, Island. इस आइलैंड में ये देखिए अंडमान निकोबार जो है, नो ट्रेंड्स ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ डाटा, वी आर नॉट हैविंग द सफिशिएंट डाटा, देयरफॉर assessment has not been made. Except this, all the regions have been assessed, and you see the impact of the climate change, how it is medium, overall medium. Western Himalayan, Western Plains में medium to high है, then Deccan Plateau में already high है, and the Northern Plains is also high. Northern Plains में कहाँ पे है मतलब? अरे यहाँ दिख रहा है भाई, बिहार, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन, सेंट्रल हाईलैंड, all these high impact of the climate change on the water resources. Means we will be facing the problems severely in the future if the current trends of the climate change is not curbed. Eastern Ghats, Eastern coastal plain is medium. लो कहाँ देखा जाए? लो को देखा जाए, लो टू मीडियम यहाँ है नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिल्स, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स, they are having the less problem of the climate change, low to medium. And otherwise, most of the area in our country is going to face the severe problems related to the climate change on the water resource availability. Because here it will be the high, if you see the high means groundwater depletion, rainfall, what will happen? The rainfall, temperature, ग्लेशियल रिट्रीट के बारे में नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स का जो विजिबिलिटी है वो होगा, उसकी रिट्रीट की जो इफेक्ट होगा वो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में दिखेगा. वेस्टर्न हिमालयन में ग्लेशियल रिट्रीट हायर होगा देन अदर हिमालय. सो नेशनल एंड सिविल सोसाइटी इनिशिएटिव्स आइसोलेटेड इन द वेस्टर्न हिमालयन रीजन इफेक्टिव है वेस्टर्न प्लेन्स में. मीन्स कैसे हम नील है ईस्टर्न घाट्स में और वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स में नील है, मीन्स देयर इज नो इफेक्टिव मेजरमेंट्स और मिटिगेशन मेजर्स हैव बीन अडॉप्टेड. सो दिस टेबल इफ यू गो थ्रू इट, it will be certainly very useful to discuss, and that the last this column is important. If you do not remember all, there is no need to remember, but at least in your mind it should be there clear cut that region wise, whether eastern region, western region, northern region, central highlands and Deccan plateaus or other things. In that context, what are the scenarios under the climate change impact on the water resources? Then if you look towards this, more severity will be this region. Sorry. This entire region, this western region, all this region will be affected highly due to the depletion in the groundwater level. If you look, ये देखिए मिनिमम इधर होगा, ये जो इंडो गंजेटिक प्लेन है उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार एंड बंगाल का, वेस्ट बंगाल, this will be minimum effect, but the depth water level will be very deeper. Even it is going to be beyond 40 in the coastal region in other pockets of Odisha and this Telangana, but the 20 to 40, the Haryana, Punjab, and then the parts of Rajasthan. So this will be the major problems due to the climate change. Here, if you look towards the vulnerability index, of water security to the climate change. This is the vulnerability index. The reason ecosystem, different ecosystem, the region states in that, and ecoregion kaisa hoga, cold arid, hot arid, all these are the given here. So agroecological zones in India, my point is that agriculture, agroeconomic zones जो होता है यहाँ agroecological zones है, agriculture zones जो on the basis of agriculture pattern, the zones have been demarcated in our country. According to it, we are assessing the problem of the water resource availability for the irrigation and sustainability of the crops due to the climate change. Climate change impact will be on the agriculture separately besides the water resources, because if there is a change in the temperature, there is a change in the humidity, there is a change in the wind pattern, certainly we are going to have the problem. So with these, yes, this is one figure. Figure is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Rainfall trends decreasing significantly at 95%. You see here, increasing significantly at 95%. This area, these states are having the problem of increasing rainfall due to the climate change. ऐसा assess किया जा रहा है, जबकि ये decrease वाली area पहले थी. But increase, here you see the symbol legend millimeter per year. इसमें डाटा जो दिया हुआ है नेगेटिव देखिए, -1.181, -0.1, increasing significantly at 95%, while this is the decreasing significantly at 95%. Means the annual rainfall trends are going to so much disturbed due to the long term. This analysis has been carried out of the long term data from 1951 to 2010. Then it has been observed this will be the pattern. So today, because I have another invited talk at 4 o'clock from the Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology, Dehradun, so I will stop here because I immediately at 4 o'clock my lecture will be started. So for that purpose, I am just going to stop you, and sorry for inconvenience caused to you. Any question, any doubt? Any question, any doubt? Any comments?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, I saw something in that.
Speak loudly.
Right? Sir, what is the mountain flood?
Yes, mountain flood, the flood which occurs in and around the mountain.
Okay, sir. Okay.
There is a concept of the origin of the rivers. There is a mountainous river, and there are certain non-mountainous river. Do you know about it? Mountainous river and non-mountainous river.
Heard about it, sir.
Heard about it. The origin of the rivers which are originated from the mountainous region, that is called mountainous river, and the origin of the river which is not from the plateau area, plain area, that is called non-mountainous river. So mountainous flood is, you can say the nature of the mountainous flood is quite different than the non-mountainous flood, because the rivers which are originated from the mountainous region, they are having the steeper slopes, and the accumulation of the water, discharge of the water is at a very higher rate at a point. Therefore, that is very vulnerable. And the time taken to reach this flood water into the lower reaches is taken less than the non-mountainous flood. So do you get my point?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
Okay. So thank you very much. If any doubt to anyone? Okay. So climate change impact forest पे क्या है, water resource पे क्या है, हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर पे क्या है, क्लाइमेटिक इंडिकेटर्स हमने डिस्कस कर चुका हूं मैं. इसके बाद आपके अभी आज जैसे वाटर रिसोर्स पे स्पेसिफिक डिस्कशन हुआ है, तो इस तरह से आपको भी जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले तो बताना या लिखना पड़ेगा कि कहे बी कैटेगोरिकल, बी क्लियर कट, दैट उसमें हिस्ट्री नहीं लिखना है आपको, वेरी स्पेसिफिक क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, ग्लेशियल रिट्रीट है, फ्लड्स है, टेम्परेचर राइज है, उससे क्या हमारे कंट्री में और जोन वाइज क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है, इतना अगर आप बता देते हैं, एवरीबॉडी विल अप्रिशिएट यू। मींस यू नो इट, कि आपके दिमाग में एक परसेप्शन है कि क्लाइमेट चेंज का इम्पैक्ट किस तरह से हम इंडिकेट कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से मेजर कर सकते हैं, क्लाइमेट चेंज के इम्पैक्ट को कैसे क्वांटिफाई कर सकते हैं और कैसे इंडिकेट कर सकते हैं। दैट्स ऑल। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।